It looks familiar, and that might be exactly Samsung's plan for the Galaxy A57. The Galaxy A57 and Galaxy A37 could arrive even before the Galaxy S26 series, and a new case leak points to clear design continuity across Samsung's 2026 lineup. Samsung doesn't appear to be changing its overall design direction next year. Instead, the company seems to be leaning further into the raised camera bump approach. Mid-range Galaxy phones released in 2025 already adopted this design, and now Samsung looks to be refining it with a more premium feel for 2026. Alongside the Galaxy S26 series, both the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 are expected to stick with a raised camera island. The leaked Galaxy A57 case highlights this clearly. The camera bump appears slightly larger than the one on the Galaxy A56, suggesting either bigger sensors or a new internal layout. The phone is still expected to feature a triple rear camera setup, with the LED flash placed cleanly on the back panel, as shared by AlphaTurk. The middle frame shows 3 physical buttons. The volume up and volume down keys sit near the lower end of the camera bump, while the side or power button is positioned just below them with a small gap in between. It's a familiar layout, but one that continues to work well. Overall, Samsung seems focused on visual consistency across its lineup, giving even its mid-range phones a design that feels closer to its flagships. What do you think? Smart continuity or playing it too safe? Let me know in the comments section. The wait is finally over. Samsung's next A-series stars are stepping into the spotlight. Samsung is preparing to launch its new Galaxy A lineup, including the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 in the coming months. We've already seen multiple leaks and rumors pointing to their specs and features, making it clear that the launch is getting closer. Now, fresh renders of the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 have appeared online, giving us an early look at their design along with a few key details. These new visuals come from Hong Kong-based case maker Dux Deuces, which has listed protective cases for both phones on its website. The case listings revealed the overall design language of the upcoming devices. Based on the images, both the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 feature a new pill-shaped camera design. The camera sensors are stacked vertically inside a raised camera block, while the LED flash sits outside the camera area on the rear panel. This camera styling looks similar to what Samsung has recently used on some of its premium models. The camera bump also appears slightly larger than before, which could indicate that Samsung is upgrading the camera hardware this time. From the front, the phones look familiar and closely resemble previous Galaxy A models. However, the display bezels seem slimmer, giving the devices a cleaner and more modern look. Earlier leaks also revealed that both phones have already appeared on certification platforms, which typically happen shortly before an official launch. Reports suggest that the Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57 may come equipped with an improved 50-megapixel main camera. These devices are expected to launch after the Galaxy S26 series. As we move closer to the official announcement, more details should continue to surface. So this is our first solid look at Samsung's upcoming Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57. What do you think about the new design? A real upgrade or just a safe evolution? Drop your thoughts in the comments section.